Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how the influence of increasing employees in your company can drastically increase or reduce your sales values. So we are going to use Excel in order to do that, but before you do that, we have to remind you that this is a series of videos, okay, based on a particular training, which is the marketing analysis of Excel. Okay, so we are treating now the analytical part or the marketing part of Excel. So applying Excel in our day-to-day work, it is very important in order to facilitate the work, render our work easier. So reason why we have opened this part of the training. Now, one thing to know is that this is not just the first video. We have had a series of videos before, so I will invite you guys to check in or on our YouTube channel, which is ExcelXam, and try to share, like, and comment as you guys does usually. So first thing first, you need to know is that we have to create our pivot table, and for us to create our pivot table, we go in the insert tab, we click on table, and we create the pivot table. Okay, so we create our pivot table, and then we include it in a new sheet. Now from here, we are going to select the values or the things that we are going to use in the course of our analysis. So we're going to include the number of employees, okay, and with that we are going to also include the different values, okay, the different products sold, and to that we are going to attribute the dates. Good. So if you try to visit each of the dates, you're going to have another so it's just a group of dates, okay. So let's then see how it is done. First thing first, your data, your pivot table being created, you go in the pivot table analysis, you're going to see the tools, and then you create up your pivot chart. You select the best chart for it. I think will be the line chart, that will be the best. You choose the one that is okay. Good. So this is how it will be represented. Now let's try to analyze this pivot chart. Now as you can see, good. So as you can see, the number of employees, okay, increased number of employees. So the number of employees will change accordingly with respect to in fact the number of sales, okay, will change accordingly to the number of employees, okay. So I beg your pardon. Now if for example I need to have the date or a particular date, I can just click here, okay. So if I need the years, I can just click here. If I need a quarter, I can just click here. Now I'm going to click a date or a specific date or a month. Good. So as you can see, we can have a distribution of the sales made by the month of the fourth quarter, which is being represented like this. So you can actually narrow your spectrum by filtering the data you wish, and from here you can have the sales of the nuggets, the chips, the burgers, and the Coca-Colas. So you can see that the values are being aligned. Okay, you can see that the nuggets are being sold more here because the number of employees are more than in the other years, or in the other products. Okay, so we have come to the end of our video. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So let's see in the next video. So bye bye.